Welcome to the BB District by Blackboard PGCPS feature tutorial. This tutorial will illustrate how to locate information in the Blackboard app. Before you begin this process, you will need to have a PGCPS Family Portal account. You may either register for a new account in the Family Portal or use your existing username and password. If you need to reset your password, select the Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you are still having difficulty logging in, please contact your child's school. Your next step will be to download the BB District by Blackboard mobile app. The app will run on both iOS and Android devices. You may download the app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now that you have the app downloaded, let's begin. First, open the BB District by Blackboard app. Next, search for your school district. In our case, we will search for Prince George's County Public Schools. Please make sure you choose Prince George's County in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and not in Virginia. At the Welcome screen, click on the Choose from List button to select the school or schools your child or children attend. Finally, you will see a message indicating that you have successfully selected your schools. Click the Finish button. Your screen should now display the BB District app dashboard. Swipe left to display the next page. Next, click on the Student Info icon. You will notice the app has several ways to log in. Our system requires you to log in with single sign-on. Please select Single Sign-On and sign in on the next page with your Family Portal username and password. Now that you have returned to the home screen, you will see an icon that represents your child and his or her name. Tap the icon to proceed. Please note that the icon may be found on the second screen of the home page in certain instances. This may mean you need to swipe left, then tap the icon. Once you have selected the icon, you should now see your child's information. Thanks for watching and be on the lookout for upcoming BB District by Blackboard tutorials.